To help.
Pat and ignore people.
It's fine.
No.
It's fine. Marky will just be sad. Want to sing happy birthday.
No.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Who are you singing happy birthday to?
Remember,
You don't?
Marky. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That's it?
Yeah.
Peyton. Peyton. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Was that supposed to be her voice?